Hedi ya icera ria president county cia Mandera na Wajir Mudurume uyu uria uhuririe tangi mahiu.
Asanteni. Pole. Wacha na yeye. Wacha relax hapo, keti hapo tu chini. Takutana na wewe, keti hapo. So,
thaka kugaria gukinya haria mutongoria wa bururi auma.
Tunataka kushirikiana pamoja na nyinyi.
No mihango iria igutwarite president rugongo rwa bururi no ethire na mbere kuria president erire andu ethi ati mubango uyu wa nyota na wa kunyitirira mbeu njithi kwiyaka miturire-ini yao agikinyiriria kuga egutigirira no wakinyira mbeu njithi guothe bururi-ini.
This is the moment for the young people of the Republic of Kenya. As President of Kenya, it is a priority for me to engage with 70% of the population of Kenya, the young people of Kenya. From what they do, from what the jobs they are looking for, the empowerment they are looking for, it is a priority for me. Kama sio priority kwenu, hiyo ni yenu. It is a priority for me. Nyinyi mnanisikia jameni?
President athiete na mbere kuga thirikari yake ni rebanga gukuruhania mbeu njithi hari wonjoria wa bururi kuona mbeu njithi niyo enyitiriire kioneki kia bururi.
We cannot discuss the development of our nation without the young people of our nation in the equation. And that is why we are taking time. That is why we have a plan. That is why we have an agenda that is credible, that is demonstrable, that is practical, that is intentional, that is ready for delivery. And that is why we are here in Wajir County.
No eheririe kwerekeria miguo mihiu kuri mung'ethaniro akimera gutire kioneki mari nakio gia kuguna bururi.
Wale watu wanazungumza huko kwa pembeni, nyinyi hamuna mpango yoyote, hamuelewi. Na mimi najua, I understand you guys, capacity yenu iko chini. Hii program is too difficult for you to understand. Kwa hivyo endeleeni kuongea huko kando. We are talking about things that are going to transform the Republic of Kenya.
Kuona mwena uyu ni ugumirwo ni ng'aragu, president erite aikari a rugongo rwa bururi ari na kihonia gia gutura gia thina uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV. Niĩ njĩtagwo James Gatimo.